Hey guys, welcome to Gen Technology. Today is how to make your YouTube channel Sunday, and I'm going to teach you how to customize your channel. So I'll just go back to my channel first. Yeah. So anyway, just there will be two blue buttons here. Just click the one with customize channel on it. Click it. I will load a bit, and as you can see, it's a bit different here. You can edit your profile picture and your channel art, and on the right lower corner there will be some links. I will teach you how to add links later in this video. So as you can see in this key, there's a gear icon under the link. Click on it. You can see a lot of choices. You can a lot of switches you can toggle. So in privacy, you can choose to keep all your subscriptions and save playlists private. And you can customize your layout of your channel. You can choose if you want, if you can customize it, if you can customize your channel. So I don't recommend switching this off unless you maybe make a video once a year. Once a year. So this is, you can show the discussion tab. You can choose to don't display the comments until approved. I will choose this one. And you can also translate info. So I might teach how to do this in the next video. So anyway, just click save when you're done. Now let's get on with the other things. So you can add some featured content for returning subscribers. Mine is always the newest video, but you can also add the most popular video, and you can also make a welcome video for your new visitors who haven't subscribed. As you can see, it has the most views, I think, because a lot of people who haven't subscribed to my channel came to my channel, and yeah, so this will pop up when they come. So anyway, let's continue. So you can change it by clicking the pencil button and just click edit, choose the video you want, type a heading. This is optional, you don't have to do it, and click save. So you can also add some sections. There is the default section, is the upload section, and this one, and this one is my customized section. So what you need to do is click edit section, click select content, and you can choose some content to put on the section. So let's try live now. I can't click uploads because I already have it there on top, and just click it, the content you want, and now you can click done. So before that, you can customize the layout, horizontal row or vertical list. So be careful, because what you need to do is be consistent, because it will be a bit messed up if you have one horizontal row and then one vertical list. Yeah, I tried that once. Yeah, so don't do it. Except when you want to maybe make it more special. So anyway, now let's go to the about section, and there are a lot of things here. So this is the description. You can click it and you can edit it. This is your email, you can change it or add it whenever you want. And you can add your location and add links, like I said before. So click the pencil icon or click add links if you want to add a link. Add, make it, give it a title, YouTube. Yeah, like I did on top. So just give it the URL. Remember to include HTTPS, then the colon, and then // Okay, so it's done. And then your featured channels will be here. You can go here and featured channels. You can you can manage them. You can actually manage them here on the right. So basically, I think that's that, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Be sure to share this video to fellow YouTubers who need some help with their YouTube channel. So thank you for watching. Bye.